7 things you can do today to improve your personal brand. The birth of a company comes hand in hand with the birthing of a personal brand. It doesn't really matter if you've begun working on improving your brand, it's still there. Looking at most large companies, there's a trend that suggests that to succeed you'll need a larger-than-life brand. But how do you get there? Here's how. 1. Get in the mindset that you are a brand. When getting in this mindset, consider Apple. When you think of Apple, what do you think of? What do you want people to think when they hear your company's name? Do you want them to think of futuristic technology, or do you want them to think of a homely carpet store? Once you've got that in mind, you'll know how to market yourself well. 2. Track your online presence. Google yourself. From the results you get, you can build. Set alerts that tell you when your name is beginning to pop up more often. Perhaps you could Google yourself twice a day in order to check up on it. The more your name pops up, the more people are going to see you. Disclaimer: if you have a common name, add your middle initial or your full middle name to differentiate yourself. 3. Make a personal website. Your website doesn't have to have complex moving parts, it can be as simple as a resume and a short bio. Although the more professional your website is, the more likely it is to attract viewers. Just having a website is a huge step towards success. What other way will people be able to discover your company? 4. Find ways to produce value. Have you ever had a situation in which you noticed someone from a large company tweeting about something totally unrelated to them? It probably makes you think, I wonder why he felt the need to let us know that he really enjoyed his Campbell's chicken soup today. Stay in line with your brand, which will in turn create more value. Don't post just whatever you're thinking or feeling, post about different technologies if you're a tech company. Speaking of Twitter. 5. Think before you post. Don't post random things on your Twitter or Instagram. The people who follow your company are not interested in your life or what you did that day. Don't post too liberally, and definitely don't overpost. Try to stay professional and adult when you post. Don't divulge anyone who comments something mean by responding to them. 6. Become friends with other brands. What college did you attend? Are any other alumni also in business? Are they successful? If you can answer yes to those 3 questions, you've got a beautiful start. Join groups, find alumni from your college, and branch out. The more powerful allies you can associate with, the better off your company will wind up being. 7. Reinvent and tell a story. What's your story? How did you get to where you are now, and why did you begin your company? These are all important questions that will better your personal brand. Having an inspirational story will help to inspire those who are investing in the company and will also do wonders in getting your name out there. Not only that, but you should always evolve. Never stay in one place, always make progress. Reinvent.